what's up, vlog? So I was gone for a while, but now I'm back. We're here at Best Buy to buy a headset for me because my headset's broken. If you guys know me, this is my actual dream right here. The mic. Whoa, it went up. That's it. That's the mic. This, bro. Oh no! Look. That's my dream right there. Ito isa sa pangarap ko. Sony FX3. Ah, that's the 30. This one. And then the lens. That lens, this one. This lens is my dream too. So I found out that we had the last stock of the headset. So there's two options. First option is it could be delivered to our house 1 to 2 days, and then or we could like take the last stock. But I took the last stock because I can't wait to use it. It's like noise cancelling. I'll show you guys later. I'll unbox it. Let's go. Okay, we bought it. We have it on our hands. We'll unbox it later. Because we're gonna go somewhere after this. We'll just unbox this and yeah. What's up, guys? So we just got home and wala nang palit-palit. Let's get to unboxing this thing. It's a noise cancelling headset. It is right here. Somewhere right here. And it has 40-hour battery life and a multi-sensory based technology. Personalized audio tuning. This new headset is really helpful for me on August because I can use this for my trip when I leave. And let's open this thing and connect it. So I'm gonna time lapse this opening this because it's gonna take a while for me to open this. So I opened it, and as you can see, it looks like this thing has like a, what do you call this, like a cover or a bag that comes with it. And this is the headset inside, and this is what the bag looks like. And we have this, I don't know what this is, but you guys can look at this, I don't know what this is. And then we have the charger, of course, Type-C. Everything's a Type-C these days. Now let's look at the headset. What do you call this? The Crusher Evo headset. Skullcandy. Yep. It feels a little bit heavy than my other headset, and it looks way different than my headset. The buttons are different from this headset now. And then we'll just try to. What is this? You guys see this? What is that? There's like this. I don't know what that is. Here we go. It's connected. It's on the second one. It's connected. Yo! I can feel the bass on this thing. Oh, I know what this is now. I think this is like the bass thing. Like you can put it down. You can. Hey! There's a bass! Yo, this thing has a bass thing, bro. This thing has a bass settings built in. No bass. There's bass. Bro, the bass is kicking in. Look, you guys can hear it. And the bass is like so good on this thing. This one's better than my last one. Because this one has a bass in it that you can like control. So if you put this down, that means there's no bass. So if you put this down, that means it has no bass on the music. And if you put it all the way up, the bass is like kicking in. It's like boom, boom on both of your ears. A boom, boom, boom. Bro, this headset is really good for my trip on August. And then, so I figured it out. The buttons for these are This button is for the up volume. Put it up, and this one is for pause and play, and this one is put it down the volume. Yeah, this thing is so cool. Let's do it again. Ah. So I figured it out too. If you like hold this button, the volume down button, the song that you played before, like the song that you're playing right now, it can go back, and then if you hold this one, it goes like forward to the next song. So that's really cool. I can really hear the bass on this thing, bro. If you guys are here, you can feel it. The bass are like bam, like boosh, 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 boosh. It's like that. It's like boom, boom, like that. I recommend you guys buying this headset. It's so cool. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's just a review and an unboxing for my new headset. And subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more notifications. Please support me, and let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, so you guys can really help me, and I'll do more vlogs if that happens. And yeah, subscribe and buy this headset.